Hi, it's Selena. Today I'm going to share with you how to add tags in your Gmail. It's a very underused feature inside of Gmail, and I find it very useful if you wanted to keep things organized and increase your productivity. And then recently I've shared a video about my results, like the commission that I received from Jonathan. I've got questions about how do you create a reel like that, like showing all the emails, showing the commissions in all in one place, because we know like when you get an email, everything is scrambled all together. So keep your things organized. It will be very easy, a clean way to demonstrate. If you wanted to share a type of post like that, it's very helpful. So today I'm going to share with you how do I use tag to put all the email in one place so you can create a post like that. Let's dive right in. So open your Gmail app and go to the left-hand side, the three bar. Go to your sidebar and scroll down. You should see a place where it says labels. And then you're just going to click on the plus sign to create new. And you wanted to give it a name. I want to name it commissions so that way I can sort it out. But since I already have it, a folder like that, I'm just going to call it commissions demo. And now there, it's created a folder for my tag. Everything is going to go into that folder. So next, once that folder is created, let's go back to all inbox. And then at the top search bar, you want to type into the name of the vendor that you wanted to put out all the email from. So in my case, it's Jonathan Montoya. You earn a commission because you want to be specific as possible. Otherwise, I will be getting all the promotional emails from Jonathan Montoya as well. So that's why you want to be specific so that you can pull out the information that you want more accurately. So now it's giving me all the email that has the keyword in it. So next, we wanted to click on one of the email. So once you click on that, it will have a check mark and it will give you an option whether you wanted to select all, and then you wanted to click on that, select all. And then go to the right upper corner where there is three dots. So you want to click onto that. It will have a drop-down menu. And then the second one is label as, and that's the one we want. So just click on that. And it will show you, like right here, it will show you all the labels, but this is for demonstration purpose. Also, I only have two. But we wanted to select commissions demo, and you want to click onto that, and voila, you'll have all your email organized in one folder. Now, if you want to find that folder, you can easily just go to your sidebar again, scroll down and go to labels, and then just select that folder with the tag name on it. And then there you have everything that you just pull it out and everything in one place. I find it very useful, especially if you want to like stay organized and into categories. And I find it very useful if you have especially different vendors, you receive commissions from different vendors. You can create different folders for each vendors, or you can combine them together. So you can do it however you want. And I hope it helps. Comment down below this video if you have any ideas or anything that you would like me to show you. I would love to share that and create a video to show you how to do those. So happy creating. I'll see you next time.